Kids Zone with Trishy. Olaf loves to read. Anna and Olaf walk through town. They see the librarian, Oddvar, at the library. Oddvar is going to visit his family. There is no one to watch the library while he is gone. Anna has an idea. Olaf can be the librarian. Olaf agrees. He loves to read. Oddvar leaves. Anna and Olaf wave goodbye. Anna leaves too. Olaf is alone in the library. There are so many books. He wants to read them all. Olaf is having so much fun. Some children from the village watch him. Olaf makes reading fun. The children join him in the library. He finds a book for everyone. More and more people visit the library. Olaf is very happy. He gives lots of warm hugs. Anna returns. She is shocked. The library is full of people. Anna walks inside. Olaf has changed everything. He created works of art. He built a castle. He even sorted books by color. Oddvar returns to the library too. He looks around and smiles. Oddvar loves what Olaf has done. The library is now full of people. He gives the snowman a warm hug. Oddvar asks Olaf to keep working at the library. The snowman is thrilled. His friends come to help. The whole town agrees that Olaf is a great librarian.